Hi, it's Anthony again. We're here today in Yeongdeungpo at Hallym University Hospital. So Hallym University Hospital is one of the general hospitals in Korea, and it's one of the top 5 specialized hospitals that's designated by the Ministry of Health and Welfare. The reason Hallym University Hospital is designated as a specialty hospital is it specializes in burn victims. So Hallym University Hospital isn't just a specialty hospital, it is also a general hospital. Hallym University Hospital is an interdisciplinary hospital and they treat a variety of conditions. They also have an ER. And if you're coming here to Hallym University Hospital by bus, it's very convenient because the bus stop is right in front of the door. So Hallym University Hospital is a general hospital that was established in 1971. And since then, they've opened 10 hospitals nationwide. This is where the hospital's parking lot is. It's not your traditional parking lot. It's actually an elevator. So you're gonna drive your car up here, and I'm gonna let you drive it onto the elevator. You'll give your key to the attendant, and then he'll give you a card. And later when you come back, you can retrieve your card. So thank you, and bye-bye.
Here's our hotel, and this is how it opens. Wait.
It's open.
Open? Oh, hi there. Today is in my Seoul, Korea hotel.
Marriott.
Meredith. And this is my bed. This is mommy daddy bed. And this is my kitty and bunny. And this is bathroom. This is very fancy. And come look at here. You can see everything. And here's a cool closet. And come over here. Inside of this drawer there has a refrigerator. See this black over here? Open it and it's a refrigerator. This is what I ate in the store, but I saved it for later. And this is spicy sauce, and this is just that's nothing. And this is water, pink water, blue water. This is a remote control. I got orange Sierra book. So here for protection. So first, if I roll around, it will not move me. Ooh, it's safe.
So we're here today at Courtyard by the Marriott in Yeongdeungpo, South Korea. Let's go check it out. The fitness center. Let's check it out. Okay, we've had a great night and a really good breakfast. Now it's time for us to say goodbye. Thanks a lot. See you guys next time.